Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you're enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 3. We are learning Unit 11. Its title is Taking Care of Plants. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. Yes, my dear children, today under the title of writing, we are going to learn writing an invitation. Before this, in English for grade 2, I have taught you how to make a card. So we learned to make a greeting card. Likewise, we can make an invitation card. So I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video lecture again. And we are going to learn further to write guided short informal invitation to friends and family members to demonstrate the use of following conventions: purpose, date and time, venue, name of addressee, and sender. This is our today's essendo. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Yunus, verse 25, and Allah invites to the home of peace and guides whom He wills to a straight path. Yes, my dear children, what this beautiful verse is telling us. Beta, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala invites. Allah is calling us, all of you. Allah wants us to reach to the home of peace. And what is that? Jannah. And how we can reach? When Allah guides us whom He wills. Okay, so beta, we should make dua to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to guide us to the path which will take us to Jannah, inshallah. Right? Now, my dear children, look at this word invites. What does it mean? When you call someone, when you call, come and join me, come, right? This is invites. Huh? So you tell me, what is an invitation and how do you invite someone on your special occasions? Pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher and then come back. Yes, my dear students, I hope you could answer correctly that an invitation is a proposal for others to do something with you. So you want others to come to join you for something, right? This is called an invitation. While preparing an invitation, we try to make sure it is accepted and people join us in our task or celebration. So whenever we invite others, we want them to come and join. We don't make the invitation for people not to come. We want them to come and join us. To family members and friends, we write informal invitations. So informal means, beta, there are few rules which we just ignore while writing to our friends and family members. But when we are writing to some official, there are more rules which are included in these invitations. So our today's focus is informal. Formal invitation we'll learn later. So how do we make informal invitations? To bring an acceptance in response to an informal invitation must contain some information. So there is some information which must be there. If you want others to come and join you, there are few points which must be included in the information, and those are called the conventions of an invitation. So without these points, without this information, your invitation remains incomplete. Right? And what those conventions are? Number one, purpose. Reason of the celebration. Why you're inviting people? Okay. Second, date and time. It is very important. What is the date of that celebration and at what time it will be done? If you write just date and don't mention time, by what time people will come? So you have to write date and time both. Next is venue. And what is venue? The place where to come. Where is that celebration? Name of addressee means whom you are inviting. You cannot make an open invitation. You have to tell who is supposed to come to join you for this party or for this whatever you are inviting for, and name of sender. You will write your name, who is calling you. Okay, this is how, beta, if any of this information is missing, your invitation is incomplete, and then you cannot ask others, why did not you come? They will say, you did not mention the place, venue where we are supposed to come, or you did not mention the time or date, or we did not know. If you don't write your name, we did not know you called us, right? That's why, beta, these all points must be there in your invitation. So are you clear? Now can you write an invitation? Okay. So what we are going to do, your teacher will draw or write an invitation following the model given on page number 94. Teacher will call students one by one to the board to fill in the invitation. Teacher will keep changing the title of the invitation, and this practice will go on till the time all the students are clear with all the conventions of invitation. So what we are going to do, basically teacher will bring this format on board. Now it's come and join me on my birthday. Teacher will change its title like come and join on my brother's birthday. Okay, now how you will write an invitation, this is the format. Teacher will call you one by one and you will complete it on board, and teacher kindly make sure all the students understand all the points, and then we will practice it on board. Okay, so pause the video, enjoy this activity, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. You are smart and quick learner. Now, all of you open your book on page number 94. This invitation is there. So, you are going to write, come and join me on my birthday party. Okay, so complete all the points, all the conventions of this invitation in your book, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. Now it's time for your homework. You got first position in your class. Write an invitation card. Now I told you the way we make a greeting card, likewise we can make an invitation card to your friend to invite him or her to the gathering at your home to celebrate your success. So you will make this card at your home, bring it tomorrow and show it to your teacher. Here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. So my dear students, you will practice this invitation card. This is your worksheet. So what we have learned today, we learned to write guided short formal invitation, informal invitations to friend and family members to demonstrate the use of following conventions: purpose, date and time, venue, name of addressee, and sender. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing, take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.